Humans have a natural tendency to simplify. We categorize things to make sense of the world around us. This urge for order often leads us to see things in terms of opposites, good versus bad, right versus wrong, light versus dark. This binary thinking, while useful for basic understanding, can blind us to the true complexities of life. The world rarely fits neatly into two boxes. When we cling too tightly to dualist thinking, we miss the shades of grey, the intricate details, and the interconnectedness that make life interesting and vibrant. This essay explores the limitations of binary thinking and emphasizes the importance of embracing a more holistic perspective. By moving beyond simplistic divisions, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. It's time to acknowledge the fallacy of separation and embrace the beauty of interconnectedness. One of the most prominent examples of the fallacy of separation is the traditional view of gender. For centuries, society has insisted on categorizing individuals as strictly male or female. This binary system, however, ignores the vast spectrum of gender identity and expression that exists. The reality is that gender is not a binary concept, but rather a continuum. Individuals may identify as male, female, both, neither, or somewhere in between. This spectrum includes those who identify as transgender, non-binary, gender fluid, and more. To confine gender to a simple binary is to deny the lived experiences of countless individuals. Embracing a more inclusive understanding of gender acknowledges this diversity and promotes a more just and equitable society. The Earth itself is a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. We often divide our planet into separate systems: the atmosphere, the oceans, the land, and the biosphere. However, these systems are not isolated entities, but rather intricately interwoven parts of a single dynamic whole. The atmosphere and oceans are in constant communication, exchanging heat, moisture, and gases. This exchange drives weather patterns, influences climate, and supports a vast array of life forms. The land, meanwhile, provides a foundation for diverse ecosystems, which in turn impact the atmosphere and oceans through processes like photosynthesis and respiration. Understanding Earth's systems as interconnected is crucial for addressing global challenges such as climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss. The concept of magnetism offers a compelling analogy for the fallacy of separation. We often think of magnets as having two distinct poles, north and south. However, these poles are not separate entities, but rather two sides of the same coin. No matter how many times you divide a magnet, you will always end up with a piece that has both a north and a south pole. This inseparable duality is fundamental to magnetism. The two poles are in constant interaction, creating a magnetic field that extends outward into space. The Earth itself behaves like a giant magnet, with its magnetic field playing a crucial role in protecting us from harmful solar radiation. Just like the poles of a magnet, the Earth's magnetic field is a unified entity, demonstrating the interconnected nature of seemingly opposite forces. The traditional view of mind and body as separate entities is another example of dualist thinking that is being challenged by modern science. For centuries, Western philosophy and medicine often treated the mind and body as distinct and independent. However, contemporary research increasingly recognizes the profound interconnectedness of our mental and physical selves. The field of psychoneuroimmunology, for instance, studies the intricate interplay between our thoughts, emotions, and immune system. The placebo effect, where the mere belief in a treatment can trigger real physiological changes, highlights the mind's powerful influence on the body. Similarly, the field of embodied cognition explores how our physical experiences and sensations shape our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Recognizing the mind-body connection has profound implications for healthcare, promoting a more holistic approach that considers the well-being of the whole person. In the grand tapestry of existence, the concept of duality is often an illusion, a construct of human perception. Throughout this journey, we've explored the interconnectedness that binds seemingly opposing forces. From the spectrum of gender identity to the intricate web of life on Earth, from the dance of magnetism to the profound mind-body connection, we've seen how unity can emerge from apparent dichotomy. This unity of opposites is not just a philosophical idea, but a living reality. It invites us to transcend binary thinking and embrace a more nuanced, interconnected view of the world. By recognizing the interdependence of all things, we can foster a deeper understanding, compassion, and harmony in our lives. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.